Everyone wants the same thing: money without working. Wake up, check your phone. Nice, I made money while sleeping. No boss, no commute, no alarm clock. The internet loves this idea. Build passive income, escape the 9 to 5, make money while you sleep. Sounds amazing, except most of that advice skips the important part. Because real passive income is not magic. Most of it is work now, income later. And sometimes still a little work forever. So today, we're breaking it down. What passive income actually means, what counts, what doesn't, and why a vending machine might be the most honest example on the internet. The basic idea. Passive income means money that keeps coming in after the main work is done. You are not trading time for money every single day. Your effort created something that continues producing value. Example: you install a vending machine in a busy gym. People buy protein bars and energy drinks all day. You're not standing there selling snacks. The machine does it. Money shows up even while you're somewhere else. That's the core idea. But there's a catch. Passive does not mean zero work. Active versus passive. Most income is active income. You work, you get paid. Salary job, hourly job, freelance work, Uber driving. If you stop working, the money stops. Your time is the engine. Passive income tries to remove that engine. Instead of working every hour, you build something once that can pay you many times. But building that thing usually takes effort first. Which brings us to the next idea: front-loaded work. A lot of passive income is actually front-loaded work, meaning you work hard at the beginning, then the income continues later. Think of it like planting a tree. You dig the hole, water it, take care of it, then eventually it produces fruit. Example: writing a book. You might spend months writing it, but once it's published, people can buy it anytime. You don't rewrite the book every time someone buys it. Same with things like online courses, apps, digital products, music, YouTube videos. Huge effort up front, but the product can keep earning. Back to our vending machine. Buying the machine, finding a location, stocking it. That's the setup work. Once installed, the machine sells snacks all day. Maintenance. Here's the part the internet doesn't mention enough: maintenance. Most passive systems still need attention. Our vending machine again. Someone has to refill the snacks, fix the card reader, collect the cash. If you ignore it for weeks, it becomes a metal box full of expired protein bars. Income drops to zero. Same thing with rental property. Tenants pay rent, but landlords still deal with repairs, maintenance, tenant problems, vacancies. So yes, it can be semi-passive, but rarely completely hands-off. Assets. The real secret behind passive income is assets. An asset is something that can generate money. Examples include businesses, investments, rental properties, digital products, yes, even vending machines. Once the asset exists, it can keep producing income. Instead of your time making money, the asset makes money. That's the shift. You move from working for money to owning things that generate money. Final thought. Passive income isn't magic. It's just systems that keep producing value after you build them. Work first, income later. That's the real formula. If you enjoyed this, hit subscribe. And if you ever buy a vending machine, please refill the protein bars. The gym bros will thank you.